Hello, my fairy loving friends. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina. I love to do thrift flips. I've been doing clothing flipping for many years, and it's the first time I added it to my channel. So on this channel you will see a lot of thrift flips from anything from home decor to clothing. And today I'm going to flip a print that I got from the thrift store. It was $2.49. I got it for half price, $1.25, and I'm pretty sure I know somebody who has this exact print in their house. It's a ballerina, and I flipped it into a magical fairy garden art piece. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is the print that we're upcycling today. It is a very pretty print, but I wanted a fairy. So first thing I did was, of course, I took it apart and I cleaned the glass and I cleaned the frame. And now I'm going to just blend some fun colors together. I wasn't sure what colors I was going to use. I grabbed some teal and some swimming pool blue and different magentas, but I decided to use the teal and the magenta blended together, and that's what color the frame is going to be.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Embellish the photo with this beautiful rice paper, and I'm going to use Debbie's DIY liquid patina as a Mod Podge to adhere it. So I just trace around the image that I want with water. I just keep dipping my paintbrush in, and then I gently tear it so that it has a I would call it a very distressed edges, organic edges, distressed. It looks so much nicer than if you cut it. I am always a little eager to get my DIYs done, but when you put the water on it, you should just give it a couple seconds for it to really soak in, because it rips so much better. I just put it on and then I start tearing, but if I wait, it really tears out so much nicer. I also used some transfers that I got from Temu. I bought a bunch of different flowers and butterflies that I use. they said they're transfers. I don't really know how you're supposed to use them because I tried rubbing them on and peeling the back like you do with normal transfers, and that did not work. Then I wet them and thought maybe they were made like acrylic stickers. That didn't work. So I just Mod Podged them on with the liquid patina. And I will try to soak them in water. Maybe they're the type that you soak in water and then they slide off. I have no idea. They were advertised as transfers and I just don't see how they work. But I was able to use the liquid patina and adhere them to my photo. Now I'm just painting her dress a little bit. I'm adding some blue and some lavenders, and I'm just following some of the stripes in there and outlining the bottom a little bit just to give it a little bit of the purple that I wanted to bring into this photo. I'm using that liquid patina here again. I'm using it as a glue right now. I have some beautiful glitter, so I'm using some like baby blue and lavender, pink actually. And I'm going to put some sparkle and some magic in this photo. I took my hair dryer to it because I wanted it to dry really quick and put it back in the frame. So that's what I did. I put it back in the glass in the frame because now I'm going to put more decoupage on the glass part of the photo to give it a nice dimensional look. And now for the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to my channel. It helps my channel grow. If you would like to win this print, tag 5 of your friends below and write the word fairy.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.
winner on Halloween. Thanks for watching.
Hear me out, hear me out. It's all